Hello everyone, welcome to UE Knock channel. Welcome to Jogja. It's one of favorite city in Indonesia. Jogja is just beautiful old Java. It's got lots of food, got lots beautiful arts and places to visit. Central Java it has everything to offer. In addition to the legendary gudeg, another special menu that you must try when visiting Jogjakarta is Satay Klatak. Satay Klatak is satay made from goat meat, with a slightly different way of presentation. Satay Klatak is not served with peanut sauce or soy sauce, but with salt, pepper, and onions, as well as gravy. Currently to find a stall that sells Satay Klatak in Jogjakarta is not difficult, but there are some stalls that are quite phenomenal and famous for their taste that can be an option for you to try. Satay Klatak Mbak Bella, unassuming roadside eatery turning out street food, including skewered meats, soups and rice bowls. Satay Klatak Pak Fong, Jalan Sultan Agung No. 18, Jejeran 2, Wonokromo, District. Plaret, Bantul Regency, Special Region of Yogyakarta. Riri said, food tastes good, quite large space because it's always crowded, usually visited there on weekend. But if you want something light to eat while waiting for your food, you can order otak otak, there I personally haven't tried it. Satay Klatak Pak Jeed, goat meat satay is the specialty of this casual hot spot with a roomy, warehouse-like seating area. Wusing Temper said, pretty good food for the price, the place is cozy and there's a space for parking too. My recommendation, the bakmi is one of the tastiest here.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Eat well, sleeping well.